An Introduction to the Theory of Automorphic Functions by Lester Ford. Chapter 1. Linear Transformations. Section 5. The Transformed Elements of Length and of Area. In the transformation z prime equal to the quantity az plus b divided by the quantity cz plus d, let z be given an increment dz. The transformed point z prime is given an increment dz prime equal to the quantity dz prime divided by dz times dz. The length of dz is the absolute value of dz, the absolute value or modulus of dz, and the length of dz prime is the absolute value of dz prime divided by dz times the absolute value of dz. A small rectangle at the point z of sides dz1 and dz2 has the area, the absolute value, dz1 times dz2. Since the angles are preserved, the transformed area is a rectangle at z prime. Its area is the absolute value of dz1 prime times dz2 prime, or the absolute value of dz prime divided by dz squared times the absolute value of dz1 times dz2. Now, dz prime divided by dz is equal to the quantity ad minus bc divided by the quantity cz plus d squared. And if the determinant of the transformation, ad minus bc, is unity, we can state Theorem 12. If the determinant of the transformation is 1, the elements of length in the neighborhood of a point z are multiplied on transformation by the absolute value of cz plus d to the negative 2 power, and the elements of area are multiplied by the absolute value of cz plus d to the negative 4 power. An Introduction to the Theory of Automorphic Functions. This book was written by Lester R. Ford, M.A., Harvard, lecturer in mathematics in the University of Edinburgh. It was published in 1915 by G. Bell & Sons Limited, London, and is now in the public domain. It is read by Jim Renholt with programming and illustrations by Jim Renholt in 2019. Thank you for listening.